Hello everyone, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. And today we are looking at finding the slope graphically. What we want to do is use the rise over run to find the slope from a linear graph. So let's take a look. Alright, so we got this formula here, rise over run. And notice how the y is the change, or the rise is the change in y over the change in x. Okay, and we'll go into deeper about this y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 in a future video. But for now, let's take a look at just finding the slope from a line that's already graphed. So it says here to draw a line to represent the rise and the run, represent the rise, and a line to represent the run line. State the slope of the line in its simplest form. So I'm going to zoom in on this one. Okay. And what you want to do is have a line that indicates the rise part and the run part. Okay. So you want to look as close as you can. And even on Delta Math, you might want to hit Control Plus to zoom in so you can really see it. And then get close enough to see where the line is crossing at right on one of the crosses of the graph. You see how you got these crosses on the graph? You want to check out a spot where it is definitely crossing at one of those X's on the graph. So here you see that there's a point here, and if you go up the line, just keep looking, you can see that there is a point right here. Okay, and it's kind of like driving in streets in New York where you want to go block for block for block and then make a right and then go, block for block. So you're going 5 blocks this way, and you can count those blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then going 2 blocks this way, and you can count those blocks. 1, 2. So what you end up with 5 and 2. So you got the rise, which is 5 up, over the run, which is 2. So your slope, which is represented with the letter M, is 5 over 2. Alright, go ahead and pause the video here and see if you can solve this one. Okay, so on this one, what you want to happen is you want the -4. That's the first spot here. And it's not always on the y-axis. Keep that in mind. But you just want to look for the smallest distance between those points where they hit that X on your graph. It's got to hit that corner so you can count them up here. So you're going up 4 on this one and going to the right 3 on this one. So you end up with 4 over 3. M is equal to 4 over 3. Alright, let's take a look at another example. And notice how on both of these that they're going up and the slope on both of them are positive. Well, on both of these, they're going down and the slope on these are going to be negative. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And it's not hard at all. It's pretty much the same thing. Alright, so we want to look for where they cross at somewhere on the graph and find that spot where they meet the crosses of the grid of the graph there, and you can see it crosses right here. And then we'll come down, look for another spot, and see a spot right here. Okay, and I'm going to draw a line, one line here. This is just going to go down 1, and then I'm going to go over 5. Okay, so I'm going down 1, right, and then go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But since I'm going down 1, instead of it being positive, it's a negative 5. I'm sorry, negative 1. And then here, you just got the regular 5. So you've got your slope here. It's going to be m is equal to negative 1 over 5. Alright, go ahead and pause the video here. And let me zoom in and see if you can solve this one. Alright, let's take a look at this one. Alright, so on this one, you can see right here that you got it's crossing right here at 0, 1. Alright, and if we count down, or first let's find the other spot. Go down this line here. It's like, okay, it's not there. Alright, it's not here, not there, not here. Alright, right here. That's where it crosses on that cross right here. Okay, so now I got my 2 points, and I'm going to draw my 2 lines. So I'm going to come down all the way to negative 4. Draw a line to there. And then draw another line from negative 4 to the point. Alright, so I come down negative 5. And I'm going over to the right 4. So my slope is equal to negative 5 over 4. Rise over run. Okay, that's it. That is trying to find finding the slope graphically. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.